appreciate everybody coming out to our inaugural BBQ Cook Off. We've got 56 teams here this weekend competing, and we're just ecstatic to have that many show up for our first event. As far as I can see,
brisket, I guess. And that's the pork.
That's chicken.
We had the ribs. Chicken's in there somewhere.
Chicken's right here.
Chicken's right there.
We know how to do it. We do it all night. We do it all right.
Grand champion for the inaugural BBQ Cook Off, 2 old men and a grill.
Dorset from Breaking the Carolinas. It's been a blast to sponsor the inaugural BBQ Cook Off. We look forward to much success in the future, and we thank everyone for all their hard work for this year's event.